Simplify or expand brackets. It's important things, and most of the students is doing a common mistakes to notice the difference between expand a bracket to the power of 2 and multiplying of two brackets. One of them is positive and the other is negative, and having the same values. Notice that any bracket to the power of 2 should give me 3 terms. Any bracket to the power of 2 gives me 3 terms. Let's see how we can simplify it. We have two methods. First method is by writing the bracket into 2 or by following this rule. For example, x plus 5 to the power of 2. If you wanted to expand x plus 5 to the power of 2, you may write it as two brackets of x plus 5 having the same sign. And then you start by multiplying x by x, which is x squared, and then x by 5, which is equal to 5x. Then you go back to 5 multiplied by x and multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by x is 5x, and 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Notice that I have in the middle two like terms. 5 and 5 is 10. So it's x squared plus 10x plus 25. But another solution, if you wanted to find the rule of x squared, if it's x plus 5 to the power of 2. So you are going to expand it into 3 terms. Last sign here is always positive, so this sign is always positive. And this sign follow the sign inside the bracket. If the bracket is positive, this sign is positive. If the bracket is negative, this sign is negative. And then x multiplied by itself is x squared. 5 multiply itself is 25. And then the middle term is 2 multiply the first term, which is 5, and which is x, and the second term, which is 5. And 2 multiply x multiplied by 5 is 10x. This is how you can expand the bracket to the power of 2. But for the second case, it's totally different. Why? Because it's a product between two brackets. One of them is positive and the other is negative. And this is called the result as difference of 2 square. So this is difference of 2 squares. So when you multiply two brackets, one of them is positive and the other is negative, the result is a negative, always negative, and the first to the power of 2 and the second to the power of 2. For example, x minus 5 multiply x plus 5. So it's gonna gives me 2 terms. Sign here is negative. X multiplied by x is x squared, and 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Notice that this is the only case that gives me 2 terms in the answer.